got fuel for all to use. Yo, we're getting buck wild on this ADOR slamming groove. Stepping up to bum rush the stage. It's the crew motivated by the spark of the rage. The mic is the teacher to get you out the cage. From the get-go, the critics ranted and raved. Cause hip-hop was too strong. The road to the riches we began to pave. Where the body, the mind, the soul become one. Intertwined with peace and hostility none. Is the message loud and clear for all to hear and make the crowds cheer? Which is the season of the year to flow to a rugged kind of tempo. And what this all means, it's time to let yourself go. It's time to get you onto this 90-delic tip. I'm not a hippie, but yo, B, I'm hip. The 90-delic definition means no more self-doubt. Future on point, yo, my brother's gonna work it out. The pressure gets hot, state of mind is in a pout. Flip off the vibes, come on and let it all hang out. Cause we got what's the light. Let it all hang out. Cause we got what's the light. Let it all hang out. Come on. Let it all hang out. Come on. Feel the vibes from the rhythms that break the devil's ties. A feeling of good times, musical highs. Rhythm, harmony, soul skills and that put together for the master plan is surely to attract the people it takes, the speakers to quake, the points to make. The ADOR possesses what it takes to make it feel good the way it should. Give me the mic and P-Rock and you know I could straight up get you off all night long. It feels too right, too strong to be wrong. Let's turn it up full blast and make it last. Yo, I'm thinking about the future, the past with a beat that's pumping to get the people jumping but saying something. Do you know what I'm talking about when I tell you to express yourself and let it all hang out? Cause we got what's your life. Let it all hang out. Let it all hang out. Cause we got what's your life. Let it all hang out. P-Rock, give it to 'em. Clap your hands, hip-hop fans, for another definition of the rhythm is what you demand. Pump your fist, say yo, go, go. Where the door possesses is a feeling from season soul for all to feel, cause our feeling is real. Some new jacks but know the deal. If you can shake it and not fake it, come on rise, you're gonna make it to the top of the pile. Get hype, fly child. While this record's spinning, I'm setting the pace. Feel the bass, cause the verdict is in. EM's on the case to get you off. With the beat that's for and keep it, give it to ya. Of course I don't drink the stout, but I get wide open when I shout, I let it all